Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you a simple and easy way to make fuses using only matches. Obviously for this build you're going to need some matches. I didn't know exactly how many matches I needed, so I bought 3 packs, but in the end I only used 1. The first thing you'll need to do is to separate the match heads from the wooden sticks. To do this, I've decided to use some pliers because I found that this is the easiest and fastest way to separate the match heads from the sticks. The first thing you'll need to do is to just gently squeeze the match heads and then rotate the wooden sticks. I've decided to use a piece of paper in order to collect all the phosphorus tips. Since this is quite a lengthy and boring process, I've made you a time lapse where you can see how I've separated all the pieces. Once we've finished separating all the match heads from the sticks, we can add all the match heads into a container, because the next step will be to finely grind all the match heads into a fine powder. Since this step will produce quite a lot of heat, I've decided to add some water just to prevent ignition. Once we've added the water, let's start grinding all the phosphorus match heads into a fine powder. Once all our match heads have been transformed into powder and dissolved in water, we are ready for our last step. In our last step, we'll need to actually assemble our fuses. To do this, the first thing we need to do is to rip some strips of toilet paper and make some thin lines. This process is also quite slow, so I've sped it up for you. The last step to completing our matches is to just soak the lines of toilet paper into a mixture of grounded up match heads. Once we've done this, we only need to let the fuses dry for around 48 hours and then they'll be ready to be used. So this is our final product and I'm quite happy with how the fuses came out. They're quite rigid and sturdy. Now all that is left to do is to go try them out and have some fun. In conclusion, this has been a really fun project to make and I'm really happy with how the fuses came out. If you've enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like, and if you really like our content, be sure to subscribe. See you on our next video.